You may have heard this before. Gold might beat inflation. This line isn't marketing. It exists for a reason. While inflation quietly erodes the purchasing power of money, gold can help preserve value. Silver too, over long cycles, has historically preserved and created value. And that is why these metals are not just investments. They are considered strategic and popular fallback assets inside long-term portfolios. Now, let's step back a bit. Historically, having survived everything, including most forms of currencies, gold and silver might seem immortal. And they have also outlived kings, empires, monarchs, currencies, oil shocks, and even global recessions. Meaning that they are not just trends, they are time-tested assets. And also, these metals are deeply rooted in our culture, right? Today, India is second largest consumer of gold. And we also account for nearly 60% of silverware demand worldwide. So, they aren't just wealth symbols anymore. Their story is expanding beyond tradition. Silver is powering solar, electronics, EVs. So, industrial demand too is rising. Of late, more investors are considering gold and silver, not just to protect, but to diversify and potentially grow their capital over long term. All in all, there's both history and a new future. Traditionally, owning these metals has always been a challenge, but now there's an efficient and simple way. Presenting Motilal Oswal Gold and Silver ETF's Fund of Funds. Now, this fund is an open-ended fund of funds scheme investing in units of gold and silver exchange-traded funds. A mutual fund that offers a mix of both, but not in equal proportions. You get a mix of approximately 70% in gold and 30% in silver. Now, while gold is often viewed as steady and reliable as a class, silver is positioned to offer differentiated opportunities based on market dynamics. But why 70-30? Well, over longer periods, the 70-30 allocation has exhibited a particular balance between returns and stability. When it comes to volatility, data shows that the 70-30 split tends to remain steadier and relatively smaller swings. And now, let's talk about potential benefits of investing in these two metals. These metals don't often move with equities and may help to broaden your horizons. Acting as stores of value, precious metals have historically helped protect wealth through inflation cycles, as historically they have helped cushion portfolios when the equity markets have been volatile. Now, you can start investing with a minimum lump sum amount of Rs 500, or you can also opt for a SIP of smaller amounts with Motilal Oswal Gold and Silver ETF's Fund of Funds. And what's more, this scheme is regulated by SEBI norms, ensuring that your investment is backed by physical gold and silver that is stored in institutional vaults with SEBI-registered custodians. So, if you think precious metals can add value to your portfolio, then you can refer to Motilal Oswal Gold and Silver ETF's Fund of Funds for more information. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.